Jake Palmer at Remax here. I'm at 66 Nerepis Road in Grand Bay, Westfield on a blustery February day. Beautiful big bungalow on a fantastic waterfront lot. We're going to head inside for the tour because it's cold out here, but I'll just point out quickly, the home is really nicely set back from the road. So the Nerepis Road is up yonder, and you can see there's a great buffer of trees in between. So in the summer, you barely even notice this house. Anyway, we'll go through the front door and you'll hear me better in there. There's nice overhang here by the front door, and so kind of keeps the weather. As you can see, there's no snow at all right by the front door. So this is one of those fantastic mid-century bungalows that, you know, was built back when you could afford to build a house with really good quality materials, and it's got a great layout too. So coming in the front door, you got nice original slate. Nice wide closet here. The doors for the closet are downstairs if you want to put them back on. But what's really nice here is a really great usable floor plan. So open dining and living room area. Off the dining room, there's right in the dining room, there's a wood fireplace that's blocked off, but you could run a liner up and use it again. The built-ins on either side of it, as you can see. Sliding door going out to the backyard. We'll look out there again in a sec. But perfect time of day to show you this kitchen. So the kitchen is very original, but as you can see, it gets beautiful, beautiful morning light. It's set up with kind of a breakfast bar here, but you'll notice a surprising amount of cabinets, and then the nice old ones that go right to the ceiling. So there's a lot of room here. Little broom closet over to the side. But I want to go back out here and just get you to imagine, if you did want to take that wall out, you could see that beautiful afternoon light would come right across here. It'd be really dramatic. Anyway, looking over here, we've got a mini split heat pump in the living room, and a great view down towards the river. So this is just looking down into Grand Bay proper down here. And so down in the backyard across the tracks, you've got a beautiful sandy beach. And one of the only parts in Grand Bay, Westfield that would get a really great sunset. So a lot of times on this side of the river, you don't really get a sunset, but this place, especially in the beach, gets a fantastic sunset. So going down the hallway, we've got 3 bedrooms. First one right here. As you can see, lots of room. Full bathroom over on the left. Over here. And the master's really large. So that's a king-size bed, and as you can see, there's plenty of space on either side for end tables. Double closet. And then kind of a makeup room over here. Or more of a walk-in closet if you wanted, but really nice bright space. And again, just point out the master bedroom has that view looking straight across the river, but also downriver towards Grand Bay. And before I show you the downstairs, we'll just give you a sense of the lot here and the view. So the Westfield ferry is just down here a little bit further. But you've got beautiful, nice sloping yard going down to the tracks and then just steps down to the river. That's Sand Point directly across the river over there, if you're looking it up on a map. So in this mudroom area over here, you come in from the garage here, you got a nice area for a coat closet, laundry on the main floor, which is great to have, storage cabinets up above. A powder room at the very end, so sink over here and a flush just behind the door. And then the basement's largely unfinished, but it's a really nice big space that offers a tremendous amount of potential. So you really feel the square footage when you're down here. And one of the things I'll just point out really quickly, it's not glamorous and it's not a selling point a lot of times that we point out, but real dimensional lumber as opposed to those glued together popsicle sticks that we use nowadays, and real plywood subfloor Even the plumbing, if you look at that 4-inch drain, that's copper. So this home was built back in the time when you could use really, really good quality materials, much more so than you can today. Furnace right over here, and as you can see, that's the fireplace is right above this in the living room. Oil tank over on the side, but as you can see, there's really nice large windows down here. So there's a lot of potential for this space. If you want additional living space, there's just a ton of room here. And back through the kitchen. And into the living room again. So that concludes the video tour for 66 Nerepis Road. If you have any questions about this home, please feel free to contact me. I can be reached at 650-0092. And my email address is jake@jakepalmer.ca. Thanks very much.